Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It is very nice to meet you, people who attend the Sichito 2021. First of all, let me introduce my team. I'm Lin Andrati Abdillah with my colleague Andrew Christian, Purbasari and Fajria. In this occasion, we would like to present our research presentation entitled Cloud Zoom Meetings Application User Experience Analysis during COVID-19 Outbreak. This is our first conference with Digital. At this time, this conference will be held hybrid, both offline and online, from the Zuri Hotel Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. The agenda of this presentation divided into 5 subsections. The first will introduce the authors, and then followed by introduction, and then method, result and discussion, and conclusion plus next research. The main author of this research is Untitled Chapter. He is associate professor from computer science and information system. He also editor and reviewer for many high-impact journals and conferences. He also responsible for some courses such as HCI, KMS, CRM as coordinator, and several other courses. He also mentored for problems in New Zealand and UNPAD Indonesia, consultant for academic research and community. He also coordinated for Enterprise Research System Group, and the co-author Andy Christian and Yuntari Purbasari and Fajria. Introduction. The globalization and population growth have encouraged the development of alternative mobility for society by involving advance in IT. There are 5 mega trends of IT at the moment. Start from big data, and followed by cloud computing, and Internet of Things, or popular with IoT, then social media, and last but not least is mobile technology. Those technology also support for educational activity and some activity related to online meetings, and then distribution of online teaching material, online assignment collection, and online exams. The global COVID-19 pandemic has delivered the world since, and 2019 has changed our social life. This disease is caused by SARS-CoV-2 virus, which began in Wuhan, China, and then very quickly spread throughout the world. And we have all mentioned it as a global pandemic in March 2020. Our data of September 21st of 2021, there are 15 countries that impact highest number global cases. The highest numbers appears in USA, America, followed by India, Brazil, United Kingdom, Russia, Turkey, France, Iran, Argentina, Colombia, Spain, Italy, and Indonesia position number 13, followed by Germany, Mexico, and other countries. During the pandemic, teleconference applications are excellent, not only for education and business, but also for government and social circles. In COVID-19, there was some restrictions, especially for social distancing. It means we must reduce face-to-face meeting. Then everybody will provide a technology to do the supplementary of a face-to-face meeting. The online teleconference application various from Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Skype, Google Chat or Hangouts, Cisco Webex, GoToMeeting, Slack, etc. But the statistics show that Zoom is the champion among all. You can see almost half of the respondents uh, happy with Zoom. So the research aim of this research will be focused on analyzing user experience using cloud Zoom meeting application during COVID-19 pandemic. Our method divided into three sections. The first research object, and then our respondents, then followed by research tools. The object of this research is Zoom. Zoom is most widely used during the current pandemic, but for government, business, and education purposes. Zoom provides free services for certain periods and can be accessed via web or smartphone. Zoom is very popular because this application provides several features. Number one features is meeting, then phone, developer platform app and SDKs, Zoom for homes, on Zoom, Zoom app marketplace, Zoom event and webinars, Zoom rooms, and last but not least is chat features. Respondents involved in this research around 363 respondents. They answer several questions related to the use of Zoom teleconference application. The questionnaire is user experience questionnaire. It consists of 6 variables with a total of 26 indicators. Those variables are attractiveness, is related to overall product impression, and then perspicuity is related to how easy to identify a product, followed by efficiency variable is the completion of user tasks with this product without unnecessary effort, and then dependability. It explains how they used to control the interaction, and then stimulation, interested and motivated to use the product, and the sixth or last variable is novelty, product innovation and creativity. And to reduce offline meeting, so we must distribute the questionnaire by using another technology or application. In this research, we using Google Form during the meeting via chat features. This is the example how we send the message in the chat of Zoom, and we receive with URL. So very easy for respondents to click that URL and fill all the question. After almost 1 year research, we got some results. The first cloud Zoom meeting application display will be like this. The Zoom cloud meeting screen is dominated by black on the main screen. Users who are actively talking will be indicated by a green box on the profile like this, and we can activate chat features in the side right panel like this, and some participant on top of right panel. The second data analysis results is overall result can be seen in table 2. As previously mentioned, we involve 6 variables, start from attractiveness, specificity, efficiency, dependability, simulation, and novelty. And this is the graph of those data. If the mean value of a variable is in the range of minus 0.8 until 0.8, then the variable represents a more or less natural evaluation of the appropriate scale. If the mean value of a variable more or greater than 0.8, then represent a positive evaluation. But if the mean value of a variable is less than minus 0.8, it means represents a negative evaluation. From those six variables, five of them include in positive evaluation, but novelty in neutral position. And we can see the questionnaire scale group. In general, the user experiment questionnaire scale is grouped into two, namely based on pragmatic quality and hidden equality. And the data as follow. We can check the attractiveness, get higher 0.1.48, followed by pragmatic and hidden equality. And this is the graph. And the most important result is benchmark. The mid-scale mean are set concerning existing value for available datasets. Currently, the dataset is contained from 21,175 persons from 468 studies concerning different products, from business software, social network, web pages, web shops, etc. And Zoom. Get this result. The scale you can see from this table, and the comparison is above average all, or we can interpret it 25 of the result better and 50% of result worse. And we can check from this graph, all five variables gain positive value, but novelty is the lowest scale. The comparison of the result for the evaluated product with the data in the benchmark allow conclusion about the relative quality and evaluated product compared to other products. Overall, the closed Zoom meeting are in the above average position. So Zoom are above average among those previous studies, and we can interpret it to be 25% of result better. And we go to discussion. Among six variables, five of them gain positive impression: attractiveness, specificity, efficiency, dependability, and stim. The highest score is attractiveness variable, and the lowest score is novelty variable. Among other products like business software, social network, web page, website, etc., Zoom in the above average position. And we got some conclusion. The COVID global pandemic does not hinder learning, meeting, or conference activity like Suchito 21. One of the IT products, Zoom Cloud Meeting, is here to answer the challenge of the global COVID-19 pandemic. Utilization of video conference as an interactive learning media provide practically and effectiveness. From the result, Zoom Cloud Meeting receives positive impression for five variables, and Zoom Cloud Meeting still get a natural impression on novelty variables. And when compared to some other products that have been evaluated before, Zoom Cloud Meeting is in the above average category. It means Zoom will keep its rank at least for until the pandemic over. Even for post-pandemic, Zoom has a bright future. Of course, they need to pay more attention on novelty variable. For next research, we interested to compare the user experience of Zoom Cloud Meeting with the product of its closest competitors like Microsoft Teams, Cisco WebEx, etc. In addition, the research on the prediction of the popularity of Zoom Cloud Meeting in a new normal and post-normal era is also interesting to study further. Alright, this is some references in this presentation. If you have any question or want to keep in touch, you may type an email in this address. And if you like to cite this work, you may follow this citation. L.A. et al. Cloud Zoom meeting application user experience analysis during COVID-19 outbreak in Sriwijaya International Conference on Engineering and Technology or CIGITO 2021.